How to manage automatic media downloads on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right and select Settings. On iPhone, the Settings icon is in the bottom right. Now go to Storage and Data. Here you'll find a section called Automatic Media Download, divided into three categories: when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, when roaming. For each of these options, you can choose which media to automatically download: photos, audio, videos, and documents. For example, you can set nothing to download over mobile data to save data, but to download over Wi-Fi. If you prefer to always be in control, you can disable automatic downloads for all file types. This way, every time you receive content, you'll have to tap it to manually start the download.